You have the Samsung Galaxy. This is the S23 FE. Looks like this. 3 cameras, very shiny. And you, unfortunately, have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. No matter what you do, you can't remember it. So you know you have to reset the phone. Let me help you do it the right way. All right, there's 3 warnings I have for 3 suggestions. The first one is pour yourself a cup of chamomile tea and try to remember your PIN, pattern, or password. Write down a possibility of what it could be. Maybe you'll remember it. A few people in other videos have said, hey, I tried it. I ended up remembering. So try that first. All right, the next warning, we're just going to get into the meat and potatoes. Okay, it's going to erase everything, and we'll go over that again. And then even though you're resetting your phone, you still 100% will need to log in with your Google or your Gmail or the original email when you set up the phone. All right, with that said, let's get into it. All right, to reset the phone, we have to power it down. But when you go to power down, hit the power button, it asks you for your PIN to power it down. So you have 2 choices, either let the battery run all the way down or let's force it to shut down. To force it to shut down, we're going to do this. I'm hitting the buttons to keep the screen on. We're going to hold volume down and power is to force shut it off. So volume down, power, and we're going to hold for about 10 seconds. Keep holding, keep holding. We're waiting for it to power off right there and switch up to volume up and power as quick as you can. And then we're going to hold another maybe 10 seconds. And as soon as we see the Samsung logo, we'll let go with both fingers. Keep holding, waiting for the Samsung logo. Keep holding just a little bit more right there. As soon as Samsung pops up, just let go. Now that's going to take us to the Android recovery menu. At the Android recovery menu, we are going to use the volume keys to scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, and pause there, or read it on your own phone. If your phone is reset, you will need to enter the Google account information. So Google did that to protect people or to sell you more phones in case you forget your login, but there is no bypass. You 100% need your Google or Gmail account information. With that said, let's press power for OK. And here's the next one. Hey, Jason, does it wipe all user data? ? This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. All right, if you end up remembering your PIN, pattern, or password, just hit cancel. If you need to factory reset, scroll down to factory data reset, press power for OK. Your phone may take several minutes, up to 15 minutes sometimes, to get that data wipe is to complete message. But when you do, you can finally reboot the system now. Press power for OK. Hey, I have a free worksheet right here that will help you, your grandparents, your kids always remember your PIN, pattern, or password. Just download that and keep it in a safe place. Hey, if this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and please watch this video next.